What's up, guys? Today just wanted to take a quick look at these power grip pedals. I've been using these for about the last 10 years on and off with different bikes, and they are holding up great. As you can see, there's a little bit of rust and stuff just from the last storm that we had, and I forgot to wash off my bike. But overall, I really like these things. One of my favorite parts is that you can slip your foot into here and then you get an automatic, just little extra grip on your bike, and you get a little extra pull upwards and push downwards, which is really nice for efficient riding. If you're not looking to use that, you can also just flip it right down and then you just have a normal pedal here. Lets you go just like a normal bike pedal would. You also have some adjustments right here in case you need to shrink this or open it up for your size shoe. So really great little pedal, guys. Really innovative design. If you're looking for something to just get a little extra out of your bike, I would highly recommend this. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.